Hi everyone, I'm Alicia and welcome to Last Minute Psych. In this video, I'm going to show you how to approach 10-mark psychology questions in CIE, AS and A level step by step. Most students lose marks not because they don't study but because they don't structure their answers. In psychology, how you write is just as important as what you write. A 10-mark answer needs organization. Why students lose marks? Vague points, no link to the study, repeating description, no explanation of impact. And what examiners look for in an answer is clear strengths and weaknesses, study specific points, explanation, not just naming, focus on the question. Evaluation is not listing points, it's explaining why something is a strength or a weakness. Each point should clearly earn marks. Structure for a 10-mark answer. Read the command term carefully. In this instance, it is evaluate, which is the command term. Plan briefly before writing. Use clear paragraphs. Stay relevant to the question. Structure matters more than length. Let's break down what this question is actually asking. The question is evaluate the study by Holzel, mindfulness, and brain scans in terms of two strengths and two weaknesses, and at least one of your evaluation points must be about generalizations. What is expected in this question is exactly 4 points: two strengths, two weaknesses, 1 point on generalization, and explain each point clearly. Let's look at the first strength that can be used in this answer, which is use of brain scans. MRI brain scans that makes the study more objective as changes in gray matter are measured scientifically rather than relying on self-report. Now, you need to expand on this idea on this point. The second strength is longitudinal design. Participants were scanned before and after the mindfulness program that allows researchers to observe changes over time, which strengthens conclusions about the effects of mindfulness. The next point is going to be the first weakness, which is generalization, which is also the named issue. So it is very important to take this point into consideration. This is what we call a key point. The sample in this study consisted mainly of adults who volunteered for a mindfulness program. They were motivated to improve their mental health. Findings may not generalize to the wider population, and that is why it is a weakness. Another way to approach the same point is sample that only right-handed people were taken in as participants, and left-handed people may use their brain differently to right-handed people when undertaking mindfulness activities. The second weakness is self selection bias. Participants chose to take part in mindfulness program that could affect the results because participants may respond more positively as they wanted to be a part of this program. Notice how each point is clearly linked back to the study and explained. That's what examiners reward. Final tips for writing this specific answer, that is Holzel, for evaluation is don't overwrite. Quality matters much more than quantity. Stick to the question, read the named issue, and practice structure regularly. Thank you. And in the next video, I'll break down more evaluation questions and show you how to structure full answers under exam conditions. If this helped, make sure you subscribe.